In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Ledger Live account. We'll walk through everything from downloading the app to managing your crypto so you can feel confident and secure at each stage. By the end, you'll have Ledger Live set up, your accounts added, and you'll know the basics of sending, receiving, and tracking your assets. First, download Ledger Live. Go to the official Ledger website or your device's trusted app store and grab the version for your operating system. Windows, macOS, Linux, iOS, or Android. Make sure you're on the legitimate site and avoid downloading from ads or third-party links. When the download finishes, install it like any other app and keep it updated to get the latest security improvements. Open Ledger Live to begin. You'll see a welcome screen and some initial prompts. Choose your language, review the terms, and decide whether to share anonymous analytics. If you have your Ledger device and USB cable or phone connection ready, you're set for the next step. Now set up a new Ledger device or restore an existing one. If it's new, initialize the device, create a PIN directly on the device, and carefully write down your 24-word recovery phrase on paper. Store it offline and never type it into a computer or take photos. If you're restoring, enter your existing recovery phrase only on the Ledger device, not in the app. Ledger will never ask you to share your recovery phrase, and you should never share it with anyone. If something ever feels off, stop and double check the source. Next, create a Ledger Live account within the app. This is your local app profile, not your recovery phrase. Set your preferred currency, enable a password lock or biometrics to protect access, and adjust privacy settings. A strong password here adds an extra layer of security to your portfolio view and activity. Add accounts to start tracking assets. Connect your Ledger device and, if prompted, install the relevant coin apps from the manager in Ledger Live. Then choose Add Accounts, pick the cryptocurrency and network you want, and let Ledger Live scan and synchronize. Repeat for each asset you plan to manage. Your accounts will appear in your portfolio with balances and history. Finally, manage your crypto. To receive, select an account, click Receive, and verify the address on your Ledger device before sharing it. To send, paste the correct address, check the network and fees, and confirm on the device. Explore buy, sell, and swap options if available in your region, and keep firmware and Ledger Live updated. For peace of mind, consider a small test transaction when using a new address. You're all set.